Yeah, we've never played a competition with Springboks, apart from probably the World Cup, where you get log points for Test match rugby. It's almost just been world rankings. And to be honest with you, we just want to try and win every match and obviously build squad depth and character and a playing style that everybody's used to. And everybody, when we get to the World Cup, there's a lot of players that can play the style we want to play with doing the things how we do it in Springbok rugby. I don't think we do really see this as a competition. We see this as a next test match and a next test match and a next test match. I think if you only go full out to try and win this, in all honesty, probably not the thing that most people want to hear, but we want to beat England and then beat Scotland and then beat Wales, and I think they want to do the same with us. Going for bonus points and those things, I don't know if that's really test match rugby. So no, we just want to win every single test match. If it's with 1 point and we played the rugby, we want to try and play, which makes our fans and ourselves proud. So we don't see it as log points and those stuff. We've never done that. And I don't think we'll change to that.